Okay, today we're going to be replacing this 65 watt fluorescent fixture. It's inside a workshop, and what we're going to replace it with is something I found at Costco for I think 39 bucks. Three panel LED garage light, super bright, 8,000 lumens it claims, long lasting 50,000 hours. So let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, it comes with two. So that's cool. Forgot to mention that. There's one. So these rotate. Oh, there's an on-off switch here. Just keep them on all the time, I guess. And it screws into a small socket, which my light is the medium socket, so I do have an adapter for it. Feels solid. Yeah, we'll see how it works out. Alright, so this is a fluorescent light, so it has a resistor in. So we're going to have to bypass the resistor and just wire the socket straight up. Also, I have this adapter to put in so the smaller size fits in it. This shade off of here. I guess I'll just start taking some of these apart. Take this cover off. Yeah, here's the resistor, circuit board, everything we don't really need So I'm going to cut this off right at the circuit board, the inputs and the outputs. And this little wires for a photo eye, which it's inside, we don't use that. Just cut that off. Throw this away. This is knotted up here. Okay. Now there's a ground in here. I'm just going to leave that. That's hooked up. All we really have to do is connect the hot wire and the neutral wire with the other ones. Okay, so I'm gonna get these wires stripped and connected. I turned the switch off, so I'm not worried about getting a shock here. Fall off the ladder, get electrocuted or something. Neutrals together. I'm just going to stick it back up in there. Let's get these hots connected. Alright, now I'm going to put the back cover on. Here's that adapter that puts it down to the regular size bulb. That just screws in. Now I'm going to put this cover back on around the socket. And the shade, obviously we're going to leave off. Okay. Now let's screw this in, see how it works. Gonna flip these up just a little bit, get a little angle on them so they're not straight down. There it is. Now let's see if this works. I'm gonna go turn the switch on. Oh yeah, that's bright. That's really bright. Wow. Okay, there you have it, guys. The Costco 3-panel LED light, shop light installed. It's bright. Easy install. I think I like it.